When I talk about sacrifice, that is the bedrock of political activity. And selflessness. Say, aduane show no nkura na onua enidi a eso timi de ma no.
Yeah.
Saa tema no nuado enidie eni bu ese de ma ho. Eno na any party ye fapem. Enti na ye party de a free over 60 years ago from 1947 48 UGCC ebesine edina sesa kakra.
Yeah.
So ne fapem no de it remains the same.
Okay.
The principles are effectively the same. So them in na sesa kakra. Ghana how a two stock UP.
Yeah.
And a CPP stock. Na the AMR ho kese makane no na so mesaka. Next March na Ghana di 64 years. We President Kufuor in few mochi. President Nana Akufo-Addo in few 9 say we
yeah.
And we are saying 12 me wa.
Exactly.
With the Dr. Busia de ka ho a 2.5 years. Nature say 14 and a half. And a binum club because na say a free fabe to nkruma
ono so ye transfer kakra yeah.
Ono so ye munipa. Wo de fe no kra ka ho. Wo de 3 ka ho che say less than 18 years na yen political tradition in a country that is close to 64 years, we have only occupied the high office 18 years. Na me wo GDS so say a yen tradition is so omaimo in the majority of the time. Baby anke won. Pempenso na ke we nimpa. So hwede Busia ye rural development. And yen na mo yekoduru enchi ohene nkese ho. Wo se training nursing training wa Busia na de bae. Ensure omono Busia na de bae. Keka ne ma bebre. SARS ne kodru voter region joje no ne ade. Empenifo no kan sema enema because Busia believed in rural development. Now the Belfoa de Mampeni Kufuor so ebeye with health insurance, free maternal care. Any niema be boa sebi wo mu a eni bie na. Na che despite the fact say yen yekui ye say eye right be phrase say rightist and conservative no. Ye kra na ye the human centered policies. Ye de boa mine.
Yeah.
Intermediate Mijidi say I've always said and I want to repeat it that our tradition are better managers of the economy, are better managers of the country. Enchi bia sombeka omampen Kufuor time. Na banks rural offices say that's right. The confidence that was rebuilt over that 8-year period. And the financial environment improve. Se nyankopon eboa na nkabia na nado to aso at the time 2009 ka baby a Ghana edrum nyeni nanso so you lose power for 8 years. A sanctuary sign as a country. And now if you look at what has been achieved over the last 3.5 to 4 years, you have to admire and say we have to give the president and his government a resounding endorsement in 2020 December.
Okay.
Me they made me a patriot of this our party.
Okay.
Nti menam na me bodero kai Ghana for me any mistake. And then this tradition is good for this country. Eba ema enigies from kubiba omemu. The business community know that we are the party of business. And as President Akufo-Addo has been saying, we should be the go-to party in government. So them say Ghana for bedru baby no mbenya gidie wo MPP no ne mamunum says that o ma dakra na eto aba.
Okay. The performance of the Nana Addo Akufo-Addo comparatively to former President John Dramani Mahama, and why you think this time should be an endorsement Edmund Nana Addo Akufo. But I feel they want joining Ishra, and I feel they want joining high Ishra 104.5 and pay any Honorable Kobina Ajay Japan or a former General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party MPP, and I pay any Dinkom. Of course, he's still an active member of the New Patriotic Party, but Europe I will play this campaign. So Nana Akufo-Addo, what's your main role?
I'm sure Urefi said, Obeka said, me a former press secretary to the President of the Republic of Ghana.
Yeah, I mentioned it in the introduction.
Exactly. Between 2001 and 2006.
Yeah.
And President Kufuor so can't say no. ɔka no abɔnten me ɛtɔ makoma so paa
ɔse sɛ
ɔse better sɛ woyɛ messenger koraa wɔ party ɛwɔ power than sɛ wobɛyɛ general secretary of a party in opposition. Okay, as I said,
because I said,
no, I say Kasakwan, I say Tufu, no can. Just to let you know, say it doesn't matter what role you play because in a question now, Ubusam said their role na me play.
Yeah,
and found here. Here say we are MPP, and I want to encourage everybody. Time I started politics for Kruman. In 1991, ye Buzia Dankwa Club, ne me Huniad. Ye Mrantian. Ye butum sika kakra. Ne enkola of maybe university 29 years, civil engineer working with the Ghana Highway Authority. Ni nyina mpanifo ambubo edi nyina to boabo eskado na bosome bia ide akoma ye penny ejeni boatin o ejeni secretary no de aboa de atua party foka. Enti media me feel say we grassroots say we executive say we former executive to say me am a former general secretary. Ubia should put their shoulders to the wheel.
Okay.
Ubia nyere no hunye adwuma. Your party also has the best political structure in Africa. In fact, people have said it. They call International Democratic Union meeting with Korea in 2014. They said this party who constituency level, who electoral area coordinators, who san polling station executives. Polling stations, is the smallest unit of political activity.
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
In any polling station, be a nipa na bro, so be 1,000. Or be a household, so around be 100. Into nipa 5 no. So muche mumukra, obi a bit ma for 5 houses and now 20 houses. Na odi ayi mojuma. All they mention.
Yeah.
So, inti mimi role ne se me MPP ni. That is the most important.
Okay.
And a former general secretary to boot. And I have a long history in this party. I think my service to this party is a matter of public record.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ubia Kai from Adubuahin time, 1996. President Kufuor time. Me, I'm representing the Electoral Commission. That was the first time.
Yeah.
Strong room.
1996.
That was the first time. Yeah, strong room because a course so in 1992. Takashi Yami Yanko Bani be that time. Se Kumasi say. Si yebobo abana yemobo no a polling station Jackson Park near ye billboard kese bi na fire service for the machine na bisio no obi team kobrani team e kostra no akotwro se figure no free hin se free hin and no answer wasum sa. And that was 1992 for you. It took a lot of struggle ye nyina Israel ho kasemu. In they boycotted parliamentary elections 1992 nipa pi refi important say minya akonya na ma kire Ghana for so enkola na aba no no makai de edikanfo no ye ne bra ye bre ye nsan ne ebedu pempe na those days 1992 year to about the 1987 district level elections register na to you yesre amana say na yeso jaman had omumiem na nkola obi ansa dey see debi yenye. So, in Tisena, you can register.
There have been a lot of reforms.
A lot of reforms to the point now there's a register, there's a biometric register. It will be 2,000 kwana in the eba. And this attorney general can say, "Court say, yes, yemfa photo ID." Or say the BSA say union me wo enkroki to no ni photo ID. Inti yemfa tampering. Tampering is the way they identify obi. Inti Ghana no ye akoye ni bebre.
Okay.
Inti ye pese enipa e wo Ghana mu now no. Wo mu hu say enipa bi tu ye hu say ho sacrifice na make no. Enipa bi so me service na make no. And the nipa bisu ye bibi the boa minor, that is the selflessness.
Okay.
And sana you be dream pempens way.
Okay. Question 1045 on the official Facebook page. Questions be an so be up say you be sa honorable Covenant Japan Sembia with me. Ako official Facebook page na din komo. Media ni papa no pay something no journey on Facebook and I say frequency modulation down so I ne Ora as honorable Covenant Japan former general secretary the Mani Patriotic Party ni din komo more. Honorable Mami South, you made mention of the performance, Nana Akufo-Addo, outstanding performance, and Intina Opese Ghana for endorsement. Now, you see the opposition and former President John Dramani Mahama Apache said Nana Akufo-Addo is the worst president in terms of performance. Boris Kabibre, but you're also telling me that Nana Akufo-Addo is an outstanding president. In fact,
I'll give you just two examples.
Okay.
And one, I want to refer to a letter I wrote to the Minister of Roads and Transport and Minister of Aviation when I was General Secretary. Kumasi Airport, I say. You see, near project, be any project, it will be a friend of value for money.
Okay.
Okay. Kumasi Airport. And I worked there as a young engineer in 1991. So I know the exact length of the Manante Sunyina is less than 2 kilometers, 1.95 kilometers. You go and put an asphaltic concrete overlay, 1.9 kilometers, 45 meters across, and add some lights and tell the whole country, say, the $29 million na year's idea. That's a fluke. Anybody who knows anything about engineering will know, say, that's not possible. Be a bit my just the friend of ballpark estimate. It shouldn't exceed $9 million. That kind of work. But we've seen that
exceed $9 million.
It shouldn't.
So $29 million.
And Metro Ministry, no, they didn't even acknowledge receipt. Crack, I say, not only that. Nancy, okay, say President Kufuor around, or Kati sought for some 4 major projects, health projects. Tema General Hospital, rebuilding into a modern facility.
Yeah.
Tema Central Medical Stores, baby idea drew by a share and okay. 2015 as a
2015, yeah.
Before it's being rebuilt. Doma Accident Center, Kessie, IAC, and then Kranza Big District Hospital. Nina, the one credit, 160 million euros credit near the year. And near 4 major. In fact, my general hospital in bigger than Rich Hospital in Kran. Rich Hospital, but some say a cost a year. Over $200 million. For one, we are using 160 for 4. There are many, many examples. So, right now, as we speak, Soko Pukwasia, the second 4-tier bridge intersection is going on in this country. Pukwasi is about 70-80% complete. It's a new COVID in the crack and feel say, be to traffic. Ukotakra there. At the PTC junction, PTC circle. It's a massive interchange ongoing. Ukotema, we've completed the interchange there.
Committee 9 runabout.
Well,
that's the Committee 9 to yet.
It's called the Committee 9. But that's the term I ran about.
Yes.
Obechebilam to the Ecuador, or Katiso just barely a year ago. Now say, the road had been done, the bridge had been done, a cassette, wearing Corsa, asphalt in Begusu. So the first phase is almost complete. It's due for commissioning in November, this November. Now next year, hopefully, the 3rd tier, no, Beba, I don't know, all these who put all the construction of this together, it doesn't match the amount of money they claim they spend for Kwame Nkrumah Circle interchange, which is nowhere near as complex as even Pukwasi on its own.
So, but you are an engineer.
I'm an engineer.
So you understand.
So I understand these things.
Yes. So, but they tell you the scope. The scope of
that is just trying to pull wool over our eyes, because I know.
Yes.
I've worked as an engineer.
The scope of
that is nowhere near even one Pukwasi, not even one. And the underlying strata is the Odor area, which it spans from Obechebilamte through Circle or reaching up to
and there's other link up to Circle.
I am a civil engineer.
Yeah, I understand.
I know what I'm talking about. I know what built quantities are. Nowhere near. Which government has ever been able to implement 800 kilometers of asphaltic? Ever in your life, in a short space of time, the rehabilitation of our inner city roads, Accra. And then me took care free me few East Lagos. Now me come in office for Roman Raja. Me nam to say 3 years ago, Nentisa, I better to portos musa. So them shown. And not only there, you go to outlying towns like Brekum, Enyebi, Toma, Hirinkro, Mim, Ketekrachi roads are almost a year no independence time, yen touch here. And then you could do Dambai, who share the amount of work that has been done in these 3 years. It's a remarkable delivery. It's there. And yes, be obinese. Could do Drobo, a Quembi, a Cote d'Ivoire border, and Stresso, a dinner and a bitimikaka. Na a year, Ubibeka a bomo for coin, a track, farm track, and then first class road constructed by a Ghanaian contractor, I'm a friend Alexibo. First class road. Ekoso. Nyanunkwa, baby bekobia. Cross pontoon. Me who say who producer or the picture be na mene mampeni pontoon so. Yeah. Cross Dambai. Dambai. Quite recently, no ya na me computing for general secretary calling them small place, outpost. Even the idea, the vision of the president to do what the people want. The people of Oti have been fighting for their own region since 1947. In fact, this is the only region on petition this is our 5th petition. The Dadafono prayer and then Abemu because we have a visionary president who decided, say, within 2 years, he will implement what has been on the Edaoma Kumaso for so many years. Emma Abem. Emma and ne uko these regions, Western North first, Ufriseshi, now uko Sekendi, which is your capital, Takradia. Until they feel very proud that now they have a region on their own and development back close to the people. Now, model no cry, Mampenny, AU no cry, exciting. Unse first, the ABB as a Ashanti regional, Ukumasi. Yeah. He's changed the development model, it's a new system that he's using. And to say near Chebibia equitably around. And to say Okahafwa. Say education director, regional education directorate, say will be Chema. Na Okodu and Kanta, regional highway directorate to her. And so okay. Go so now regional health directorate to her. So them show. San Korea was a regional feeder roads and some devolved agency. Yeah, part of the MDAs. No. Distributing at around all the regional, the district capitals. Okay. Okay. Because it's the regional capital. Say, and slightly bigger amount of all these facilities. Sa na akosefia. Ibi obodi, bibi ojo abeso, enche, unyane die, and science. That's right. Yeah. And this is how the country should be developed. Over a place like Germany. All the big cities in Germany, say Stuttgart, say Hamburg, say Berlin, say Munich. One here, we have more than 1 million people at Tihoda. You are spreading BBR around all the facilities. Uko Cologne, Nako Dozo, the Vabaka at the same place. But on my Ghana, I said that. Okay. Accra, Nikumasi, to a lesser extent, Takrade, and then Anzemse Tamale, so Bekan Okaka. But this is a new development model. And it shows Neniswa Dihun, so ye be bit different. Okay. And I do believe that if you compare the 8 years, John Mahama, unfortunately, the president then Mills was not very well. So John Mahama, he's had 8 years, not 4 years. He was the chairman of the economic. He was chairman of the economic management team. He was virtually in control of the government even before the sad demise of Professor Mills. Bibia wana juma no betimia ebi and me say in 8 years no. So betimia ya kawaye. And now we have a very interesting scenario in this country. We have a contest between 2 presidents,
a former president
and a sitting president. And the issue about me by me say we have to look at when you had the opportunity, what were you able to achieve?
And compare the track record that of the
if you look
president.
At the 8 years of the NDC under Mahama Mills, that's why we were thrown out with such a big vote in 2016. And you look at what has been achieved in the last 3-4 years. I think there is no doubt. So even for having the courage to create these new regions that has brought, in fact, the amount of, I'm surprised one follow ne tossy.
No, we follow Nina.
No, I don't know who's an American.
Oh, that's what me share pictures. Me share a lot of pictures. But 105. A lot of pictures. Yes, that is Honorable Governor Ajay Japon now or the president and Momo Ekotono. So
the new regional offices in Nema. Yeah. It's amazing.
Yeah, but the former president is claiming. Anyway, before there's this. Let's come to the economy a bit. In terms of government, MPP are buying. When you are in opposition, not more kase bosia bo enyade babo bosia bebre and buying or bobosia untimi fanyashi. That's the Mahama buying bobosia intimude moba. You reduce borrowing, but in fact, per the statistics are available. More more than any government. Say between 2006-17 and now, more according to figures available, which is 163 billion, as against President John Dramani Mahama or 56 billion. But according to President John Dramani Mahama, you have nothing to show when it comes to infrastructure.
We have nothing to show.
That means according to President John Dramani Mahama.
No, it doesn't have to be according to him. You are a journalist. President go around, you see it physically. It's only after I've been around all the regions with the president and Sana Mavetra have the confidence to see the amount of work, whether it is in health infrastructure, whether it is in educational infrastructure, whether it is in road infrastructure, and Sana Mavetra. And it is not according to him. It's according to what is on the ground. And it has been exposed for everybody to see. The tour, the visits, has some model schools na SHS no. Have you ever seen anything like that in the history of this country? One, the elements of one, it has everything. Why we have say a university cry, but that is the new model, the new thinking. Say, we see school, yes, we see block, say classroom. Now they are see a class. What they see what? There's no dormitory. Okay, the children have to travel maybe 10 kilometers, 3 kilometers to be able, they can't do it. What's wrong with them children?
Yeah.
So all these things have to be properly planned and designed. Then in any case, say you can't debt overhanger. The kind of money and interest for instance, take Saglemi housing. Borrowed $250 million for housing to be able to deliver 5,500 units. Oh, I know my can and I say I don't know, almost 1,000 units. You see, I make say that money has been paid. We are paying it. It's part of that debt stock now. No. Oh, it is a contract between the government and the company.
Yeah.
So there's a little bit of dispute because company and so they've been able to deliver only 1,000. 1,000 are fully complete. All of them, John. No, and many examples of these things. And now we go around the country. Over 81 district, one factory are operational in the country right now, and over 100 are under construction everywhere. And say. I've been around the country, and the way I receive Papano, the excitement, the euphoria that they meet him with shows that the kakra wayeno a can akuma. And can very simple. I have never seen say any government has come within this short time we see 30 astroturfs around the country to promote sports infrastructure. The youth centers of excellence are easy in 10 regions, 5,000 capacity to improve sports infrastructure. All those things have been done. Inti media they hear me kasini me MPP cry hear me because me say party for no the hardcore okay and together and roll out the campaign properly as we want to do it. Yeah, does say okay. Yeah, does say any day. But the structure of the political system in the country is such that I mean, if you look at the history of elections in this country, they are guaranteed something around 42% of the vote. Is always a guarantee. We are also guaranteed something around 48% all the time. Till you work harder, they are across 50 now, what they call. And of course, it's not like other countries will be 17 anyway. No. And so every election in this country is structured from the CPP-UP days. And no, and that's why I want to advise our party people.
Okay.
Nobody should be complacent. Work to the structure of the party. Name the here say we are patriot of the party. We are Timmy. We are Kami. We are MC. And in the specter of independence. And no. And the may lose about in 2008 by the skin of our teeth. Kite. Na your power. Na your free power because we ni ya anto amame meso mempene ko independent. So we are MPP ni. Political party de mun sensemo. Nyina na twaye. So as a human institution, it gets to a point you have to know that the party is supreme. And as we go along, we correct our mistakes, we learn from our mistakes in the past. But it gets to election, say there, I expect we MP.
Okay, all
right. Especially when we independent, so we MPP. See from the party for na pejanensa or mpeso na chi. To show that you are a true patriot of the party. And then found electoral commission and printed ballots until you can step down so that your face does not appear on the ballot. And to show that, look at Fomina, for instance. We know there was an issue there. The parliamentary candidate is different from the member of parliament.
Yeah.
And Matis, a member of parliament, so eco file for independent.
You are filing the data.
Now, Ubi as a party na Pija as member of parliament. Party na when you some of them, it gives you an opportunity to make the message miniano. Say, party ni don't, you won't kide the party na yamano.
Okay.
And na parliament in Kwana Ejuma, a war, politics. And at the president Kufo Kaino, say, O party wa bem Kwandia. And only here, there are many other opportunities.
Okay.
There are many ways.
Other issues, but I is now 104.5. I feel not be about tracker would be out to fear and I say, well, what joining with Facebook, I am Honorable Governor J. Japan, or a former General Secretary de Ma, New Patriotic Party, MPP, and Opay Digon, Gomamusimidian Papa, Nyamike, the General, and Opabella active seeming country, Christmas just around the corner. Because you're done to your catcher, from now on to January 2021. Every pack of Belacqua Active to Biano. First, now you're 12. Now, you're the extra 6 at your account. I must see extra 4 at your account. I mean 16. Now, 12 bottles. Now, I got 16 with the same price. Wow. Into Momonia Subenya Belacqua Active. In 16 bottles. Now, when you say Belacqua is fortified with folic acid, vitamin B6, said pantothenic acid, and all the vitamin B group. So, carbon since our koto in Sia. Kasubato Belacqua Active now instead of 12 bottles and 16 the amount. We say Merry Christmas to you and Belacqua Active stay through to originality. Tisana no pay me go so catch us a Donimasti complex in control. Baby, I'll tell me can pay for more than 20 good years. And I know what doing so Sam or Gana for the Ubiagiatum now. Your roofing sheet be brave. That is Donima Tropical Premium. On also on your Aloxin governance package sheet was also and your NMK Premium Aloxin governance package sheet when you know about different colors and design your premium quite then also design consultation and estimate prices. Only the more free consultation the more after 6 service your qualified and professional personnel boy yepa be able to come your guarantee and the warranty in terms of roof lasting and I say be a calendar fedi on put the entire because any other something automatic garage door and roller gate system a bow and showroom the warehouse baby a then will be your mass system so be quite point it to me and let when you if you don't need must complex at the same time you not do papa this will be a jatum se carpenter ni me near we hear nails na do ye come and it high quality tropical nails brand and of enemy nails brand but more than your actual size and in the weight yente so pepe between 1 and 6 inches sanity package ye come to more than so be ko Donima Steel Complex wakwa kopom long span refugee TB that a DSL premium long span and of DSL premium IBR sheet and the Erotas in the do we na a long span sheet ahodwa Donima Steel Complex dia ba nti more than you so much kwan Asafo YF Junction ye Ghana Revenue Authority office fraying 0244 126625 the 02 0244 12 66 25 and 0544 321150. Donima at the Papa Efie Enono. And a baby goes to catch us about Modia. MTS in Canchos is here. Oh, send this sika. That is a send with Ayo. I didn't ya. You demand 30,000 life insurance cover and have your hospital admission cover. Now, 10 years. Anytime you're standing or sending Momobiano, would dial star 170 hash now. Star 170 hash. That which is option 1. That is send Momo. Now, what's on send Momo Nivia? Another option 3. Send with care. Only Ayo send with care. Anytime you ever send with care, be about took a crabby. A two would not just say, oh, insurance and a Utianasa. A lot of benefit. Pina made the bemau where you pay it direct into your account. Into Momodia. Oh, send this car. Mobile money. Send with Ayo. That send with care. And never took a crabby. Who could that hospital and one say, although discharge letter, there's an excuse due to the account, itemized hospital bill, with any valid national ID card, the account, one say you pay the amount. Life insurance claim is there, we have death certificate, plus burial permit to the account, and one no, in many way, a direct, but me a friend. 296 now ne mpanifa kasania church mu yepa baba modern san pay the Fidelity Bank say me can just say what digital banking now you see we are sasa now everybody talk about digital. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is now the agent of digitalization. Yes, that's the digital anything modern san pay what me can baby ubako digital and it's a Fidelity Bank so you can be at the comfort of your home. Now you have a core service and supplementary services when you not can be now bank conveniently your online banking, your Visa card, your MasterCard, prepaid cards, and have your Fidelity mobile app on the between their check balance or account balance, what your top up airtime, what your mini statement, what your money transfer, a Fidelity Bank, but more than Fidelity Bank, and that's why you no more this house, the amount you and Fidelity because together we are more. Fidelity Bank, believe it us. It's now 104.25. How pay? Honorable Governor Ajay Japan who fear yedi enkomo nina your former general secretary at the New Patriotic Party MPP and yedi enkomo nana honorable mamimna hona yento enkomo so now a lot of issue pinana ekoso even though what can lot of about Nana Akufo-Addo but the NDC also believe said there's a lot of corruption scandals for which they should not give Nana Akufo-Addo the second chance to give you continue. Do you agree with them?
They can have their own. I mean, that is not a problem. I think it's important say media hear me kase language ne kasa a emfata a ekoso memu politically. Say emrantie na aba no uhwe Ghana yentiti edibu ama empenifo.
Exactly.
Kasa kwa edidi atem eniema emfata a ne abe dominate airwaves na yade arehopa team de me to me party for especially because the idea in say ubia refer to MPP say akache for party ye na yedi huni say bi no mo ye veranda boys ye ade kikensem propaganda kikensem wenim kra ne ye kako ne ade media me gidi say abana ye koto ubia be kire nadwen say yedi ehunehuna kasefin be raise temperature enyadia eboa omai no so on with them sure
yeah
to say the makano I want to encourage our party people, our supporters, and then younger generation ubusobia na mebaye minyahwe enyese sakasa no enye kasa ede amemu on amanyo yese ye beboa amansan beboa se bi won ani bi na impacted the lives of everybody.
But people join political party because the things
it is wrong.
Party about power,
it is wrong. It is wrong. And you, more media, no near and we the political leaders, no, we have to. As you just Anthony join political party. You join Amayu because go and do business. Go your business.
But one not perform no business I'm not joining political parties because for now they are more because that's the perception and the mentality
and the mentality of Sikana. Yes sir, go back into history, go back into the political history,
but perhaps I
think it's important we overhype things. And former ministers need be both NDC MPP ushia no kra se be onam kwan kra obi identify no say onenam way. I think it is overhyped, and we should know say the very foundation of politics is the collective security and goodwill of the state, the masses. Say ye be bibidia boa oman no na wom asetenam aye papa na aye improve. Obi a wo de ahye wadwum say wo de wo call politics because ho na wo kope wano adu na yedi bia. Na che say unni oman no ho do. And that's why I talked about the three things: service, sacrifice, and selflessness. So we need tema. Akufo-Addo, why you bibi kra no? Implementing that visionary free senior high school concept. And yen koye exams me yanka say apam will be a free school because we ntua any school fees. Ye nam around ubu abro bi no ogina kwa ne bi anisu. Metwa manana if se menana no omo nyina be ko school free. Say na omo ton magudie obi ton ye ntuma eduru se mebi se omo ton ye nantwie eduru se ye be school. It has been a big burden that has been removed from the people of Ghana. Inti se sikana womo kan wasem they invest only in education. Education is the single most important thing that you can bequeath with Mejama any future generation. And tokwane basa yo awo kan nipa na kuskua he puts more value on himself, on more value on life.
Okay.
So them sure.
Yeah.
Inti yenkonko di boni yenfas we ko bo bitrim onye because he values himself. Normally, Osha is people from the deprived areas, no, and Nkrofoko easily to go and at the crow no nim. And no answer so yes, and say no DHD. Your chin is a BS pen. Me Kaisen and send on national television. Sena do be court and abibi. Yes, so boys need be interview can in claims there Akewaka Wobabi Emra Unima de crow dear. Oh yeah, na certain nipano. When you have the benefit of education up to the level of senior high schooler, obeza. Education is the single most important thing at driving people out of poverty. Inti enunti inipe pinam se abatu ebetu nasiaba. Womo ebe danasi.
Nasiaba.
Nasiaba. And the regions, the 6 regions, the bounce there. And we've been there.
You seem to have confidence in Akufo-Addo.
Oh, of course. I've been around the country with him. And I've been around with the Dubois in 92, been with Kufuor in 96, been with Kufuor again in 2000 and 2004, been with Nanado in 2008, 2012. It's only 2016 I didn't go around with the party. And so I have a store of knowledge to feel the pulse of the countries. And when the country is about to change governments, there are signals that you see. Those signals are not there. And if you'll be surprised that he may get a bigger vote than he got in 2016. Because
bigger vote.
You may see, you'll be surprised, especially the president. If there are any issues from what we pick up and what we see, of course, when the party there, the Moons and Semna, Yamu Biang, Stanley Primary, saying the supporters, Buafu, case in point, Bequai Nomnia, which we have tried to prevail on people, say, look, the party should always be supreme. The SCBN, once we are getting a monthly election, let's say we put it on the back burner. Now, Otaisa or soon kuku ni support to kukurududia. The most important point is to go to the ballot box. Rohona, it's number 1, meboa. Now the ukukrumoti team where baby or snujina so Hwana, Nebajina.
Yeah.
And the spectre of independent candidates here could vote to skirt and blouse. Say, your best row. So your MPP ni there. Tidy party for ne yinechi. Ye bibiane be ubiade. Everybody has gone through some form of pain in this political process. It happens. But you have to have a big heart and also Jinyankupodi. If you have belief in God and you are divine, you are strong, you can go through all your difficulties.
So will you be surprised? You Nana Akufo-Addo will need 2020 election.
I'll be very surprised. I don't think I can't see any signal say NDC for.
But it is your only blessed memory. Sir John, my election, and I said John can say fear delegate.
Sir John,
because all the signs. You were so surprised, so you won the election.
You should have not been surprised
because all indication at that time, the next said now to me and winning, and it's a surprise.
No, he wasn't.
And he said fear delegate.
I know, sir, he wasn't surprised. I know he wasn't.
And that's
surprised.
why he said fear delegate.
I was not even in Tamale. I just passed through Tisokan for just a couple of hours.
Yes.
I was in my hospital bed.
Yes.
I won massively. This party, I have a record in this party. And a party for Suma Masum party from Edubua any time. Those days, Yankola, Yetimi, currently placed. Why MCA one crying? Yeah, because she Yankonya, because in Penfono Isro, and Sunday I could invite in Yahota Makulun, Kwame Pianimnum, Dubois, and no by a press conference. Yeah, and it is Kakoyonia, because she Yankonya. You know, that was 1991. Let me tell you something. Politics is about your passion, your empathy. And I make us say, and then Kolana Bana Ion say politics a year, Bibi or Benye Free, a wrong thing. And it is incumbent on all of us, more the media especially. Muhusa signals now. You've got to expose those signals and warn people.
Okay.
Among Ejuma, you are here to serve the people. You are here to serve society, not yourself.
Will you accept an appointment from Nana Akufo-Addo to win 2020 election?
That is not what I'm looking at. What I'm looking at is right now in life,
because you also contributed the most to the development of Ghana. You are an engineer. You're very knowledgeable when it comes to politics. And will you accept any appointment
from baby and made me free? When I lost my father as a 20-year-old first-year student at Tech, from living in a government bungalow in Ridge, Accra, na ebedru baby kra na onye baby mfa wutinto kakra na mitimi wie university niema me fa mu ansa na mitimi wie school kakra nyame di me bedroom pempenso nyam kopon na yedi nhirama no me di press secretary to president enfiensia me di general secretary to MPP.
No, but you have to serve your country. You have to serve your not to serve party, but you have to serve your party. You have to serve your country. It is an Akufo-Addo winia. Not so. You are so knowledgeable. You are so deep in this field. You are an engineer.
I don't know why you are jumping the gun.
No, I'm not jumping the gun. I just want to know. It's also important.
It is not for me to say that. It is for the president to decide what he wants to do.
So it's the president to decide there. Will you also accept?
No, say the focus. MPP for their eyes should be on the ball. Focus. Because you see, the main person me here and say, oh yeah, masana a higher politics now. People have become obsessed with positions. Even mukra on positions before ebetwaba. It's unnecessary. Position. A transient.
No, just to serve your country.
A drew ho. Let's see, boarding, uti, any boarding, near boarding. And know that that is the prerogative of the president. When we get to that bridge, we cross it, as they say. Most importantly, the here and say, Mr. MPP for Babia Ubia, which Naso and Fanny, Yami Admo Mampeni, Ebebe Kumasi. Which na or kwa dance side for mina be kwa which na chi na or dance ni amanse or kohwehwe projects ni nyumedie think there's a new stadium AC or new Dubiase a seat na yenta anwe ni say George Drew, Honorable George Drew, Deputy Minister of Agriculture na a candidate no sai MP ye kwa ye adwuma nim se ombeda na se na president so etimi awene saasi awene sa constituency no amai ebio so enti mesre se ndem call around see uhwe baby na ye week to say kajeji no de we nipa ni agi because of enuma ekoso ene ahohoahoa amudi be shia papa no ahohoahoa de be shia president say omo bose eni agi se wa ye adwuma ko baby a wo se wo do tie bi ahemfu ni nyina se wa adwuma ene bedi wanim niema wa ye de abo oman obi ani etua ntime stress yaba ahade yeso yediem Ashanti region say you turn it out in our numbers na just say is guaranteed say MPP be win ntime kwanya menyen wo papa o yisu
inshira FM hey
inshira
no inshira na no
aye inshira no pe yaman e de sre ye party for bian Kenya ne ho ba bia will be sorry from the polling station level. Every member of the MPP on fan who put your shoulder to the wheel. You will refuse munya jumadin and Kenya you were asempa bi catch the Ghana for.
Now, but I said now kind of my can means maybe some now you are encouraging, you are asking all your members who be fan home fan shame. I mean, I don't want to go back, but I mean, so we should buy now the then chairman Paula Foucault and after Sami Crab Munina, and Kophobia now must be active members. Means what to a monka, but yento a monka, and I who almost a modomoji campaign said, oh, yeah, we also ask them.
I don't think you have to.
Will you ask them to also join?
They are all members of this party. And I'm encouraging every member of this party. And positions don't matter to me.
No,
especially when we are getting
I'm talking about the
positions you have occupied. Say what? No. Don't try and put me in a pigeonhole and create news out of what.
No. What is important is that asking you are telling all Ghanaian MPP people to join. Yes, that's why I was asking you this question.
Past officers, they said they may be a past officer, and I am encouraging. There are many people who suffered certain decisions in this party. We are encouraging everybody. Obian to NHD because your party is good for this country. I believe that the MPP are better managers of the governance of this country.
Okay.
And it will be good for us to have a longer period in office. This is a mechanic. Let's say 18 years out of 64. And a political tradition. I think to be able to bring that transformational change, that quantum leap into the future, we need an MPP administration for multiple terms. But if we are saying they don't him, any they owe him.
Okay.
And for me, the 2020 election is the most important point. We've got to win this election, and I want to encourage everybody,
including Paula Foucault,
everybody, every MPP, we are MPP, you know. The aha ubia, the akoso, ibioha and koye and cheye, but it's a human institution. These things happen.
What Jamanaka?
Oh, Naminyamanka Kamitia.
Wow.
I love my party.
Wow.
Me, I may bomb Payaman Yakopon, sing Yakopon, Makumum, if you to say, was said, dear, a shawi. So them sure. And once I'm happy with myself, I give everything to my party.
Okay.
Political party activity is Susano. And Kose, Professor Duwa, no, I may be. I was a trained civil engineer working me Mejuma, but I had a passion for this country. Say me, say, sa political tradition way. Na ebeti me di kebi amemu etintimo memu na apija oman no nkoso edwumadie ni bibia.
Okay. Man pick up 5 course bi na ye ma ye callers so memu kakra me pacha no pay safina wa join in shira ye ne honorable Kobina Ajay Japan, a former press secretary to John Ajokum Kufuor and former national secretary general secretary the Manu Patriotic Party MPP anopo aka sembe bre anopo ye din komo a in fact I can see so you are convincing me.
And they want to my MPP. Hey, man, you know new bro. So 2 MPP.
Anyway,
Papa, even in your sleep, you have to vote the MPP. Yeah. 0322083581 83580 0322083581 83582 Pacho bisiamo ba na mako straight to the point na no pay say question up so be so say common up see the nyina yedibi. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, Pacho din is na okazavi.
Pacho your friend Nkokurafo hene.
Hey, Obana photos na boko there.
Onyankopon Abraham Nyankopon Adawroma Nkokurafo hene me hoye pa.
We Pacho no pay honorable Kobina Jejopon ha yenim komo.
Ka kire Kobina say. Kobina wutie me.
Otio pa.
Otio opening.
Onyame a obo soro na obo asase no. Say Nyankopon wonhyira. Baby ana wo no. Me na wo nyina akyi. Abraham, Isaac, Jacob Nyankopon, one pega Kesipa. It was just Christo Divo.
Amen.
That's a minimum on Yankopon. Me or Banako Kufe. The dear pan and Emma boy. Or coming home. What Jenny now? On Yamin one pega. With just Christo Divo.
Amen.
Me that's the fine. I mean, show.
Okay, no, my young corner scholar. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Papa.
Yes, sir. We need this. Hello, Kasafe.
Is it for you? Can open the book room?
If I told me,
Yes, you can. Want to power. Yeah, one five say. Said 2016. Yamisha not done for Akufo-Addo and Yamama for your 100 school fees to a mudie. Yeah, catch a gun for say. Montan 12 to 2020. Is answer school fees to a years how. And to be found school fees, one cast of 8 years about school fees. No, I need to be a what dog, papa. In the kind of one I'm saying, say, Umpie, no one sanction in Yam, what an answer child in Abu Modi Denate. That's Rabbi.
Nyanko wants to say, Angel, hello, good morning. Hello.
Papa Yameke.
Hey. Hey, a boy here, come on, no.
I'm a young phone and any.
Sa pepe. Nampo to say.
Beneza, Lord Mabadrunia.
And I won't see him come.
Mabadru and Christ. I'm 7 years from Japan, former General Secretary, former Press Secretary to one penny coffee dear woo. Hello, what the catch him is so soon Shadamount. I could call his 7 summer, Abaka who come nice stay, never yet never a josso, as a Roman pong, we do harm a cow. The American say about 3 wunya ye. Now, can't one to move. Yamina Ukoma war. A say, Morano would ya sabano. Yamina Nadi Fosso, Adom, party no, on my peninsula, a social shadimano. What kind of come like that? Come like a son of a beer, so be kind, or this Shaban because I think you're contempo, the social shadimano. A quite what name.
Yamin Shidao, hello, good morning. Me hoye pa odindi sana Kasafe. I'm coming community.
I na chama one na nakwasi. Ona bo asime tia no pa.
Ojo
Papa, odun komo ne pa. Banda de tin na se na wo busia ne se me be ne nwanwa se na na Akufo-Addo be lusu le sisi ana. Ofe da hokre. Me se na Akufo community. Ele Ghana for da uruma. Do mama na ndisi e really hands down. Ajuma pa do mama be yi. Ofa na wo busia no. Esem de wo busia ne bibli. What you purpose said the Yajmo? Your purpose said the Yajma. Your mama purpose said the Yajma, the Padia, and the Magana for. Never Akufo-Addo the same Busia. What the J, your wood you want the Magana for? Not gonna for Baba that you when you say party. As I for the amount. What do they call corruption? Corruption is getting Akufo-Addo people from head to down. Okay, corruption cases. What the sister then the Padia in the more Busia for? Not gonna for now, no continue to control about the man. Oh, Busia, what's your fan when you feel Akufo-Addo
okay, me that's moving to twice now. If I saw them, so I can't be baby as I want to know one thing. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, I did this and okay, Safi.
Hey, Papa,
yeah, hey, me look man, Accra. Me look man.
Accra now what is for you?
Chief of Staff, me who ya pa?
You don't know say. Former General Secretary. Engineer Kwabena Japan. Yamana Kwaba. Ede nebe Isra. Since Isra die. Isra na kese Isra na wayo no. Na nyame Isra no. Ne nkasa wakasa nyina no. Eye nkabomu. Eye koye. Eye biakoye ya ede ko 2020 election ne papa no kan timi die se den ene obana jampaye. Na mnyana bonso so de mpaye ba be gusoro. Who say I may a cafe MPP? We have the men. Me papa said me one casano. Who say papa no casano? Also come who do me boa. Papa me boa na. Jenna no. You work engineer Kwabena Japan no ntie no cause who say we can send be baby I me first what say who say about 1992 na. Register 87 there. And so next year, Mama, what you can go up as a mama, what you come now, what I can see that. You might come on, engineer, the other one. And so would be a gun of one, who will be any MP.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa. No,
who ya pa? Udin this and
this year, Kofi. Papa, na mintia yewra na nakwasi ebe obi a mintia ne sasa konso mintia no papa openika say ya won ne kase MPP general secretary na omoyi na di no no a
Ocha kasa mitio
o mi bi so asam ye di nkomo ono ana
ono a
emi na MPP kola se bo na ba so sa no
Ibacho ye nyi na di misro ye nyi na di
no ye nyi na di se ye nyi na di MPP kola bright ye nyi na di no want to
me Pacho, don't use the word ye nyi na di. Please, we are on air and tell me I don't want to argue with you, but we are on air and a fact is a fact, misro
o de Matias ye nko ye nim sankrofo we want to know kebi amano papa we etin cheke no mo de mba no obu MPP kuoyim what you say why you hang papa yi ti akire and now obeka bi die na be gire radio so no ogina baba yoyo we chenya chom nkrofo a wo MPP ko no na ye de ye nka fe edim se Excellency John Dramani Mahama e di konya hye o mampani nsa anne ye security ato ape and ye bi ato ape a ye hu ba bi a ye fe ye tin wo ye be sre papa no omwa na 2020 ye to MPP.
Maybe that's BMPK last call and after the wrap up with the discussion in Hello, good morning.
Papa.
Yes, sir.
Me Pacho Sakudi ni Jankuba.
Pacho Saki Mamintio.
Yo, Mamintia Minister Jumeura. Na me nyonwa se MPP die. Omoni aban omo ba be ma omo dwene he. Papa, ye so man bia be 2 point education. Nti aside say the education aba no. Ni aside mfidu nyuma aba. Nti nipa die tenyo bia le betuma ko school do onko school no no so nya adwuma ye aban odwene ne manfo ho no ye dananado da kwakufo ade asukwe nyuma bo hwete ne Center for Food and Jobs we share one visit one factory mimi krom say ginger factory papa me no kase contractor ho a ekoso denden dia ye wo jankwa ne patema akadro ho adwuma ne ye a ekoso denden nti saa so na minim say ekoso no ye 260 near you move 100 and you move 76 na ya dia Ghana for yes am na na do for more kan ho the man for more kan wa ekwan bia so no ya odin sa kan bia obe yise ni nyina ya afona
mama na was man for more anyway hi inshira 1045 3 more minutes to 9 safina wa join and I'll pay me so safina wa join e bia Facebook na e bia afina wa join about on radio there me sure so wetia and I'll pay ne ono bokobna Ajay Japan former general secretary at the Manu Patriotic Party, a hardworking and astute politician, experienced one of course at the civil engineer and pay D and common but honorable you for common Mary but obisi me misao minim say bia comment on the quality ne kan normally
well there may make kakra ne say sa specter of callers asemi it should be a ba na ma bo me hu ko edu kakra because na eni ho ebinum sisi aye ho ayese adwuma bi first no na ayese wo fie na utie programmer de kan wakoma so no na wa frɛ na wa kyerɛ wadwen na okɔ na me kai say 2000 the ba bem no na young guys be na omuta frɛ before the election
okay
na me say na ma be press secretary to president boys men na mo pe party pao KB KK Y2K ato no me no so enti say ne enti me as press secretary na me kohwehwe wo mo numbers me frɛ radio stations boy ni numbers family from na me from Adam wase keke say mo ya de o those days 1999 the heading so mo amdu musika na mo afrɛ na identity we de me damase me mampani say we de just to show appreciation timi no mo share mu first wo Methodist Church bi was circle so when we from NS Bruce Methodist Church so nipa amabodia from here that was the first time I put them together not as a propaganda na bibi just to show appreciation say we show nkrofo that name hu no no afa nisika that na radio stations in North Joy say Gold Peace Konkranema GBC na Groove FM kakrebi but the bia no mo frɛ trying to push for change in this country they buy na me feel say ne kwaso no say e be frɛ but you say them say according to a complicated kakra nti nipa no I say political party be one the Nifano Mukranse Munimo Omote on voice na mate on voice nti ama aye bibi kakra ho
but still we contribute to in terms of convincing our listeners.
Yes, but you see, I think you have to convince with the force of your argument.
Okay.
And yet because Ubana statistics say anyway Ubia when I join we are say Ubia the mesre woman say omonfa enidie oman Ghana yemfa ebuo emam penifo na kasa ntwie ne kasa na enye no ende baby e free banyina ese jai because nipa ni bia no ya utia ya na you are surprised sebi we are abrante o kasa say president and our former minister be so NDC so be cry or to say papa and then kwala be kasa obakasa unum tipen for na kasa yes I sending the wrong signal to enkwala na ebe
almost di echi no
yes esa ebu efre ni bu ebe free system no sade no so de enye se yema no koso timi de menwa no besi ha na madawase titru ene nhyira se mama me nhyira no pay na mo gidie se de bia mampani kasa o se ene de enye se me be hye mo bo ebo no so a me hye no dodo no a wadi so na ninsa ho adwuma ono ya no kasa me nsa ho adwuma na de asere ne se twi no de ka o improve ne kakra me nsa no adwuma ninsa no adwuma aso Ghana for any me dem around so wote baby now the who is different. I've been around all the country mako hamile mako pusiga mako pie joje ma pie keta ye de akopie enchi Ghana ha bia nkran kwanta no ne a say all over and never, and I'm speaking as a civil engineer of considerable experience. When I see infrastructure that is happening around Air Corso all at the same time Niema uhuno me kra na me ngwa say na niema we nyina MPP aye na 3 years me
equitably. Can you say Ashanti region yenye share because being a stronghold of MPP, you know, as compared to maybe eastern other regions yenye share?
Well, I think be a kakraka ho Kenya bad Kenya bad
kakraka ho Kenya bad
but
being a stronghold
na man pay ku for time kra me ne ko sa fane me bi ku see krom na ja if you to kra e ko akotena ku mas na na me the audience wa collabo but we share around the country to say the mechanic even the model of development and the revolutionary say and you can say we are regional and you say BBA could see regional capital you distribute no at the major centers to say machichi obi say do you encounter benyane dia beche benyane dia saasuna go so nyane dia mema nyane dia hwidiem ko hwidiem ya hwidiem town roads hey na just me am who say hey we are say Sankore Nina.
Wow.
So not only there, Ukobodi, Akontomra, Dwabuso, se you also bibieni, just they do bibieni, the excitement of the people. I've been there several times with President Kufuor, with the Dubois, and now share the air cosuna. Maybe him say Ghana for 4 more for Nana to do more no ebebem. Na enya a big majority in parliament. Na omampenyi atwaso. Mi jidi say not only this administration, I think said the party NPP. Yes, say there are a few things and my party for be and tokwa kakra. We have to learn from our mistakes, and make sure say going forward no. Yeah, but yes, she say for parliamentary yeah, no bia nya de person be. So nipa de nipa no pen no ya pija onsa. E pija onsa wi a asem tietie.
Do you think says I didn't course with me affect him kakra one with the other?
And then I didn't na me de chaupa and yes party phone say especially in certain places say tepa say na a difficult seat so
be quiet for me na asukwa
be quiet asukwa mate say organizer na
yeah kwa independent
mate say osifo
onyansifo yeah onyansifo
mesre na obi a we constituency organizer there una ukura party no nti say yes party no page obi nsa esa o taichire
anyway
the SBA no on fanche
all right
so na yemfa sankabom na yemfa anidie na yeso party for no bi ha omunya esa akasa no say obi ya ese o NDC for na hye na chi say na yedidi na tem na enye fe so yemfa kasa de kasa mu hwam kasa nkyere wo no mu nsifo ebi no masifom enua manafo esese ota Halido Chi Womame constituency. And then the Kasa, what Tiase, or Techi,
I must say, Akotia,
one so yes, at Tiase because Wako Parliament, yes, when the Munyam. A Coban is a beer, lost ne Ketekitinia de Aya, Nenso so. President Runim say, "Nema piwa beti me
yeah.
So nyame na dom na Ghana for page sa. Enti de hia ne say nyina be adwumaden. Na ye de be hye ye trim say amamu no ye ba beboa ma oman na ye na aka obi a obabi a wo. Na ye nkofa ne say e cake. Say ye ba na ye betwitwa. Na ache ne ye di. Eno de me kwabna for me mfo aso sa da enti mesre especially chirima na nkola na eba politics ma ya umso mfu said that politics no is the quickest route to money and fame no wo munyaisa.
All right,
it is a way to serve society and to bring up the underprivileged and so that we can have forward movement in our country. Tell dawasi
Mr. Dawasi
na we udi papa ide ya na yesi we papa na
na jese
na say woda no ada
the general papa.
I was a general account.
Governor J. Japan, former General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party MPP, and Jamotin in Kano. But PJ Mose, I will be rested your hands. I don't know. Person could you do come a quick one on because all right, Governor J. Japan, a sports pundit. You know, when it comes to sports, we say, or but I'm saying, PJ Mose person one question, Pena, yeah, PJ, okay, but anyway, I hope person didn't come a crack.
Papa can't neighbor. It's got me. Eddie, room now the time na no we room kakra say o say nyawo entenyo mu say na any honorable na kebusa ne say honorable we dey ya mu achizo so
me da seminia
sports force ya da say
na kuma say dey am say no mu wie politics we na mo sports o be bia sa ne te
o badnya pesa o da pa agi say
na say sports no dey say mu pepa na fe ade na da bia mu kan Ghana dey na bruche dey enko
eno kan hu na ke yebusa we
me na say me busa wo
na me busa wo
because ye na ye shase ne ntisa we dey da bia no am kan ba bi say me cry say me so ya bom hu ko edu e dey say serial callers dey ya me na ko free on first no mo na it was the intention say creative bi etisa me na me sports highlights in the 80s me this international segment no because na me try to collaborate na me ni je ho ne ade those days na me dey be room kakra bi ya kan local na wie na ja ya ma brief na later na jaminya feed film kakra na di sim afi de ne anopa osore anopa papa bitimi fi eche obi ni radio ya nam kasa anopa kro mu run commentary dede obetipo ena morino ena say munim coach say wo abroche nyina Ghana coach bi busa ma munim bi
e be rebate be try
ti we dey mesrem ese nyina ye ne say aban any stakeholders in sports we have to find a way of restoring our sports, especially football, back to where it used to be. Because Mikaise Isusa say Kotoko Bob big match. STC. Omo kra no munye ho faso. Omo the buses be at 10 nesi circle. E ma be na ya ba ai stadium. So hotels ana wo Kumasi stadium nyina na omo nyina nya ho faso. Omo eton aduane ne ade nyina. And the football no aye bibio and 7 doors and come case no come nyan kan
and we might bet 3 4 5 6 7 minutes be
honorable 3 I go do 7 because we
honorable say obi a sports fan ni na otie anaso we athletes anaso we sportsman e de be na say o man eto aba e de ma NPP instead of their NDC
media sports there normally na me pese me the politics room na me enemy although I believe as a political party, we've done more, especially to rebuild the infrastructure. What should I say? A manifesto. Any day, and another way. AstroTurfs and Kwaya built within 3 years. Over 30.
Yeah.
8 years. And this is saying. You are building over 30 AstroTurfs around the country. Myanmar Kubiso. 10 centers of excellence. So in the regional capitals, stadium I says there, but funny 5,000 to 6,000. Good facilities in all the regional centers. So almost build the infrastructure basin, which is very good because they say, Your planning regulations are so poor. Say parks ni na nkrofo sisi na also. Me Kumasi ane tete me. Yes, I ne kohwe ball so ame. And me fa ho eni ho crew room baby I say crew ho na dining station. Na bobo ho papa kono ne oh me nua pokwa free na wa free mo. Pokwa free o mu nyina bobo grusa me nim no na me sha kete. So ne akwa hemfie. Ahemfie baby ohene nansen ya na oye deba kese na enso na park ye goals wo goals agu Kumasi
cricket na
goals agu so hu dem chono na dey na gu ye agu at a time ayen akobo World Cup atwaso me ensan sika ba enra na obi ka say World Cup em say Germany dey say 6 or 7 million e buy 11 million we 14 million e fine ye me myself FSO as an executive member of the GFA and also as a member of the Black Satellites Committee, Black Meteors Committee. Those days, here was Scotland 1989. Datiland Timunta, first under 16 tournament. Mikobi, me and them ticket. My G allowance take me and them to hotel near there. And now better I see committee members also G allowance they say. Tisikana ba I see the boy clubs no. The boy juvenile football. Na a casserole in Sanem Mafo. All these 3 World Cups you quit who for so ben is at the time more your local football crowd a good completely. Why?
Ejene obi busa say e dey enti na bia Ghana say for the past 38 years Cup of Nations yentimi njibia reasons by them.
If you say it's down to the way we have run football administration and nipa be individuals we abe fast o mo do football people no be enka ho o mo kwa na hweso no ma kama dwene openly that several times on mine ye to about every 4 years near the your mind soon nyina hye president to come and tell me say president and as binding who kwan so what influence in football no there it's completely wrong. Abanyo na appointed chief justice na abana appointed IGP o can obi can security once security any football there na hu here security no obi ma ball. I mean, how can we create an impressive football who here say obi e me hone nipa no so yes and so omofrin who are they accountable to? How do we gauge their intentions? It is wrong. We had a model that used to work. The clubs and government were together. Abai nominate nipa ne the Congress. Na clubs nso nominate nipa no my advice. It was a good model. It was working for some reason. Yeah, bad power. President Kufota was his press secretary. A nominee Ben Kufi, any one other, ye koeno, and Omukasa Ben Kufi nye chair,
only
Abedipili moon, and Sunya member, no, na Galka for a device by Sana ne, no. Ben Kufi, after one time, no so a brain, no a penny mokaka. Na president nominating Yahotamoklu. Na Yahoman no problems kaka, and them so say, or the Nejumato. Mummy nominating you of an Bidma at the policy room. Yeah, my MPP man, make sure that catch the binum, especially at all. I mean, in the kind. Say, Adia Muye, one more fat politics in real football. You do football, any enemy who will be enemy, baby obijina, and found baby obijina. But you know, a football, we are fraternity. And to try and cut government from football, you are making a big mistake. Football is based on communities. And who represents the community? It's the government of the day. So, and you have a situation where it's more 18 teams in the league.
Yeah, Premier
how many of them? How many of the Premier League are community-based teams? Are traditional teams? When I say community-based,
yeah,
traditional.
Kotoko near Hearts Womb, near Olympics Womb,
and how have you? Once I went to Minka, me a catch.
Others no,
I'm in football.
Others no,
Oko Volta region near Ho Mighty Eagles. You whole Sunset, Uko Eastern region or Buako Subribi, and now my Kofrodia Rovers, Uba Greater Accra, Gamashi in Cranfona and Casano, Accra as a hook. Just a Gamashi, a part of Nkran, Uko side in a collab station Gomon Olympics form. A traditional base into Kazaka Gaman check up. What did that? Yeah, boy, in those days, 1971, Gaman check up. Olympics 1-0. Georgia Tinkra ball corner straight to go ne bin sida or Ghana Lante France Martin Zinda Lante Duru Unti need on the
with your rich experience, we know, and most fans view be say, and all things being equal. Nana second term, no, came on me, the minister for youth and sports. You are work cut out for that portfolio.
Contribute to Mr. Mamu Fasania,
Nanaka Basuma mine, I want some
the Menkasa. Advise you, which me my advice in any way. Timer, or more normalization committee. Me fa phone every Kofi Amwa etumi ka e na office because Kofi Amwa me nua penin no me no madam for no me kwan so me fa so a me ma obeye local organizing committee na me press secretary to the president at the time on the local organizing committee of Can 2008 me kokotu no for Kofi se FIFA my opportunity there sa ade na mo toto aba ne ade yi nipa no munyai. Let's go back to the original model. Who have been in football over the last 20 years. E.T. Mensah, Nana Butler, Mpenfo, Wenya, Mitchell, Omunyate, Omtiasi. Omunyina, Monsieur Bidam, no Macasase. They are cost of football, the Moya say no. Moma Nipa Minibi Kofa football na. Onso Omodia. Sese Suskabem. Mo Congress, no Nipa Bay 100. Obipe, Kakra Kramoma, Watom. Then they create an empire and destroy the game. At the time when we were doing best at the world level, this is when we have collapsed our local league. Is that correct? So, that could be a Hibinya. Yeah, can't football no dear. A dear yummy yan timing pesamem, Bosokran, Timmy Shakra minim dear course, Semi Farm Kotoko. I met him born in 1971, team a winning cup. My born 1983 team come from 1 to 11, and then apart from Nancy, who's a goalkeeper, no, a friend of Felizana, and they say Akolebi Betuno said, Abalora, and no pendant, my kind Kotoko for the last. Nancy, I'm not in Namusan Cowbay Kotoko chief executive, and the name baby free. Miss Materials, a free, many baby and no say free, back Kotoko de. Me a idea Damacomas. Some assume Kotokoda during Georgido time. No, me a friend saying a my executive member. Ned. The idea Yina Yepe. Timisre say Yensang Sorena Stadium Munya money and say a corner in your day. So, because I know Nama Kumasi, and other teams no, and some of the doors look corners and then a good corners to there. And Kumasi no until na me ka kra de oba Kumasi and Ashanti regional Asante 42 near Asante Kotoko and na yenuanom so abetena hanso Kumasi ye je ama ahobo me ya me pese kanasa immigrants aba ne ade ntim kwa Fantinu town hona headquarters corners ye training say do your corners team now to Togoleku wom onu free voter akwata ma wo onu free nkan Adamu Danjuma onu free stream na Razak nom Epson Fante. It was different. It was a great time to be part of football. Me Mr. Papa Dimiru Kumasi Stadium. Those things, yes, there should be a deliberate policy by government and the sports council. And then you say, look, wow, 11, 12, referee. You are creating a new stock of supporters for the future. Na kubuza akola oti Joabin Cross or support Aston Villa. Hey. Na uko Birmingham wa omunim crew friend Ghana na obe support. Na mo mutikru ma mo de mo media fusu na mo ye na West. Na mo so no pa. E de bi mo de mo atra.
Arabo finally no. E de ben e betimi aye as a nation say betimi akodi Cup of Nations bi. Ehia e pa.
Oh. Cup of Nations quite say and say confuse obi akọ World Cup e go do semi final. Cup of Nations for me I ketwa kakra but it's still okay. Cup no I
38 years
I think say we have a good enough team even now to be able to win. And I said the last few times I go finals and say kakra in the Cup of Nations in the name kakra bi na BTA SETMGB because who share the stock of players here war media hamian say no Black Stars no local players in him. Yeah, because sir, the connection to the country Ghana no, na I problem. Because first you can Kotoko forces, as 4-3, Y is 4-2. I could test back from Lomo Michel, and some doors, and actually I can be.
The papa. Anyway, it's been a wonderful and a great morning. It's not live on each 104.5 for number one. I can't read it to change. Tell me, Honorable Governor J. Japan, former General Secretary at the New Patriotic Party, MPP, and